Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just did a video on this. And while it was loading, I thought, is this possible? And yes, it is. So here's our two. If you didn't follow along with part 1 or 2, if we look, the black is a contour of this item. We're going to go ahead and make all those blue, take away the outline. And I'm going to take these and I'm going to go to group and ungroup all. Then I'm going to select them all. Let me zoom in here. I'm going to select them all. Then I'm going to get the shape tool and I'm going to select them all with the shape tool and I'm going to right click and break them apart. What that is allowing me to do now, I can take my virtual segment delete key and delete these lines of this corner. So you could have just one line, you could have the corner. I thought the corner would look pretty cool. Make sure you get all of them. Takes just a little bit. If you hold down your Alt key, you can swipe through there and maybe do it a little faster. I'm holding down the Alt key and it doesn't get all the lines all the time, but at most of the time it works. So these are lines that are just inside the other lines. Let me just get them out of the way real quick. So now you've got some lines that are in the shape of an L and it'll look like that. Now, I'm going to take them all and I'm going to make them something other than a hairline. Maybe make them, maybe not quite that wide. I'm going to make them white you can see down here it's black, so I'm going to right click white. So I'm going to move my black box over so I can see them. And now I can select them all and I can go to effects and blur and Gaussian blur. And that's a little bit much, so I'm going to go back downhill. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and group them together. Control. Oh, I see one line I didn't cut. I wonder if it'll allow me to cut it now. Okay. Now I'm going to take my blue and just nudge it back down. And look at that. You get that white shadow. You know, we could quite possibly make them black, but I thought the white would be kind of like a cool little, and I started thinking about this, how I was going to get them to, you know, if I just made an L and transfer it over here, how was I going to get it in the shape of the shape of the line? So I just thought, let me just try using the contour and breaking it apart. And like I said, you could use probably any color. Let's see if this one's any different or better. You can see all the little boxes. That's from the Gaussian blur. That one might be a little bit better. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.